Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in an Audi A5 and I'm going to be showing you how to change your pollen filter or cabin filter, whatever you want to call it. So let's get into it and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So to replace the pollen filter, cabin filter on this Audi A5, we want to come around to the passenger side and we have our new filter here and we're going to be going into the footwell. So once we are in the footwell, we can see a soft cover just here. It has two thumb screws, one right here, which we're just going to undo, and one next to it. Once you've undone the two thumb screws, we want to just pull this out. So this little cover just comes off here. Oh, sorry, and there's one third thumb screw further back here. So we just undo that and we can pull that down. 1, 2, 3 thumb screws. Pop that out of the way. And then just up here we have this white cover. And what we're going to do is on this white cover here, we're going to pull it towards the outside of the car and it will just slide out. And inside here is the pollen filter. What we're going to do is we're going to pull that down. Oh dear, this one is absolutely disgusting. Look at that. Wow, definitely time for a change. As you can see, it's got a funny shape on it, so remember which way that comes out, and these have a direction of airflow. So chuck that one away and we have our new one here. So what we're going to do is make sure we got the airflow correct, and then we're going to slide it up in the correct orientation. So we've got our cutout to the left. Once we feed that up in there like that, that'll just sit up there. Now get your cover, push it up with the cover, and then you've got to go behind these little tabs, push it in so it locks into place, and then slide the white bit back towards the driver's side. And then that should lock into position, just like that. Now we can get our soft cover and we're going to slide it underneath this hard plastic cover. That fits in perfect, and then with your finger you can just feel that these little holes line up. 1, 2 and 3. Then you can get your little thumb screws and we're just going to wind them back in. Changing this filter is important, especially if you've got funny smells in the car, because it does block a lot of crap coming into the car that you're going to be breathing in. So changing it regularly is actually going to benefit the air quality inside the vehicle. Now we've got our soft cover back on, all the thumb screws are done up. Okay, so that's just a quick video on how to change your pollen filter in an Audi S5. This one is disgusting, so well overdue a change, and now fresh cabin air inside the cabin for the customer. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.